na bibia fine there.
Richard
Joshua Holutu.
Yeah, Richard.
Bibia fine.
Nyame adom bibia boko.
Dey me ase.
Yeah.
Transfer no so mu ye de
so wow. Stories na about very interesting stories.
Very, very interesting.
Yeah.
Ebi so aye shocking kakra.
Of course.
Ebi wa hot as what is going on? Transfers, you know.
Managers no almost to Diana.
Guys, and now me posted and we're back there. No, I run to baby Sam say, Richardo, Massa, is serious. And no, Onjindi. And I'm so story I have about the bar. And I mean, so Udi amenya henta me dia ba betu.
Udi atuja.
Enti mimbo misrim na meka. Enti sa transfers na e shocking no. So obi a dwen shedan ko ho.
Very good.
Say ebedun maybe Chelsea beka so pe Dan Welbeck. Chelsea beka so pe Jordan Henderson.
Yeah.
I mean it sound be weird kakra but
yeah, you know Rich, but this sound common and if I'll focus on that today because I agree. And run news na buy no. Myself I was very surprised. And now maybe someone who said, what at all is Xabi Alonso? Again, what at all is he looking for? But I decided to also go and do some digging. And now me I mean, just to understand. Again, Xabi Alonso team obeka say players already 35, 36. These are the players that he trusts and believes. Say, if he signs them, he can work with them. First of all, Rich, when you combine the ages of South two players now, you are getting 71 years. Danny Welbeck did 35. Jordan Henderson did 36. So when you combine the ages of these two players, it is 71 years. Now you will ask yourself, secondly, say, what has been the situation of Chelsea in terms of forward line over the last few seasons? Chelsea in the last few years have had something that they themselves have called the number 9 case. In social players are Chelsea over the last few years. You wonder what at all came over them or joining Chelsea. Who be bien few players like Fernando Torres, he starting in free. Of course, was share a good number of goals for Chelsea. But we were asking, why is it that the performance of Fernando Torres at Liverpool, he couldn't do the same at Chelsea? Players BT say Alvaro Morata munina bebo Chelsea, Radamel Falcao munina bebo Chelsea, Gonzalo Higuain, there was even a Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. All of those players came to play for Chelsea, but none of them were able to solidify their position in the team and give Chelsea the number of goals. Not Chelsea for Sheffield, some players no. The last time Chelsea saw the semblance of a clinical striker was in Diego Costa. And so Diego Costa performance now or down 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017 now. In total, he scored about 52 goals for Chelsea in total. 52 goals for Chelsea. Now, so maybe Xabi Alonso no mabeji Chelsea adwuma. I am looking at the team and I'm looking at all the things that have gone against Chelsea over the years and I'm trying to fix them one at a time. Enti Osha Danny Welbeck, we did 35 years. Of course, Saudi Neba Chelsea set up Nima. He's one of the old guns who can help the young players to settle down. That's number one. And so when you experience from South player now, what he will do is that if there's a young player like Liam Delap on the pitch, and I say Joao Pedro on the pitch, now he has that ability to guide these players to do the right thing because of the experience that he has had. Rich, Danny Welbeck, in the last 2 seasons, our team, my friend Brighton and Hove Albion,
have been solid.
No, he has been very solid. He has scored a total of 13 goals in 37 games last season alone. Usha the previous season, he scored 11 goals for
Brighton. Brighton starters out. Some of bench.
From the 13 goals I was share last season, 11 of them came from when he came off the bench. So that is a super sub kind of performance he can give to you at very difficult times. And 2 of those goals, one came against Man United, his former club, and one came against Chelsea. Team attrition is here. So Danny Welbeck gives you number 1, experience. Number 2, look at how dominant he can be in the box. Look at how he's able to link up play. Look at how he's able to finish. Obetimi in the left ball, Obetimi in the right ball. He can even use his head. So this is a striker who, even though he's in the latter stages of his career, he can come into the Chelsea setup, and there are Alonso Ayrton in terms of experience too. He will give that to him. That is the part of Danny Welbeck. Rich, Jordan Henderson Diano was quite tricky to me because if you look at the business that Liverpool has done with Chelsea in time past, you do realize that Liverpool players, whether current or former players, anytime there's a transfer between the two teams, sometimes there are question marks here and there. Because Liverpool and Chelsea, they have a certain rivalry. There is a story about Jordan Henderson. I'll tell you that story today. And why I think, bringing him into the Chelsea team is going to be a massive addition for a Chelsea Football Club. Reach August 2012, return fixture between a House of Midlothian and Liverpool at the Anfield. And Brendan Rodgers at the time, now a coach for Liverpool. Answer na watch special say crown of Frey. Jordan Henderson so amra. And catch Jordan Henderson say, Fulham have agreed a deal that on beton no Jordan Henderson plus an additional money to go and bring a Clint Dempsey from a Fulham. So even in the disappointment about match Liverpool ball 1-1 in that game, free hono and no corner them no kusuye cried like never before. Suye sa, and he made up a decision. Say he will go back and tell Brendan Rodgers that he will not leave the club. He will not leave Liverpool Football Club. Unfio. Until he went to Brendan Rodgers and went to tell Brendan Rodgers, say unfio. And Brendan Rodgers was surprised. You better prepare yourself and get ready to move to a Fulham. Send the player Clint Dempsey can also join the team. Also on few other. Then that resilience displayed by Air Jordan Henderson. Brendan Rodgers looked at the player and said, okay, if that is the determination with which you are coming for, then he will reintegrate him into the team. And then they come. Then from there, he started improving. He started doing well. He started performing. Within 3 years, player now he was on the verge of leaving a Liverpool Football Club, who became the captain of a Liverpool. Jordan Henderson have seen the make catch him. He became the captain of Liverpool, and he played for 8 solid years, lifting the Premier League as well as a Champions League. So it tells you the mental fortitude that this player has. It tells you the kind of mentality a player no possesses, and these are the things that Xabi Alonso wants. Because Rich, you also agree with me. Xabi Alonso, a brand no coach, by Leverkusen and Real Madrid. He faced certain problems over there. At Bayer Leverkusen, he got players like Granit Xhaka, who were well over 30 years, and they were the ones who were working for him on the pitch. Baby, no, the influence need to be. He has players like Granit Xhaka who can influence the players. Yenisei, Bonisei, Bokoha, Menkoha, Brabak. So when a coach needs a player who is over 30 years, the emphasis is not on a Jumedia or Babedi in terms of on the pitch. Off the pitch, more. Look at Real Madrid situation. When the exits of players to say Toni Kroos, Dani Carvajal, and Luka Modric not happened, no. Real Madrid were now exposed because they didn't have any influence in terms of authority and influence on the pitch from players, no. So look at Kylian Mbappe, look at Aurelien Tchouameni, look at Jude Bellingham, look at players like Federico Valverde. These are young players who needed somebody who is on the pitch to call them to order when the egos were flaring. Xabi Alonso didn't get that over there. So if I have seen such a thing and I've moved to Chelsea, I need to find a way to solve all these problems. And it looks to me as though Xabi Alonso wanted to solve that problem, at least only one player in each position and cooperate. It's Osha not Osha John Stones, but John Stones, he has missed out on John Stones. John Stones is going to Inter Milan.
Yeah.
Then in the midfield, Onya Jordan Henderson, he solves that problem over there. Then in the attack, he gets Danny Welbeck, he solves that problem over there. In a team that is full of young players whose average ages are about 25, when you have Jordan Henderson in the mix and you have Danny Welbeck in the mix, Rich, what problem are you solving? You are giving these players
some kind of real model,
of course, that they can look at, that they can emulate. Now Jordan Henderson,
but I don't know. Wait a Facha me rem.
Yeah,
Chelsea, and yet the same mistakes are mine previously. And our mistakes are mine maybe
good.
And I'm also about repeating because in your submission,
yeah,
one kasaji to me say it may be by some strikers be now we feel so these are strikers or make me a mama goals
good.
Aubameyang, I can't say Fernando Torres,
no Radamel
Falcao,
yeah.
I'm buying no. I'm going to match Chelsea. They're not Chelsea. You should from
good,
right?
Yeah.
So some more examples when we now that's still also for players are age, you know, and general football. No, say bye bye to and football. Now we for the same players. As I about him, and yet the same mistake being on person.
It is not the same mistake
because precedent.
That is the precedent, but the difference is that the coach who is there, that is Xabi Alonso. A Jumana all pair free these players. It's not the same demand. The two star players now Mubo or Chelsea team. That is not the same demand.
Okay,
we are not bringing Danny Welbeck in to come and score 35-20 goals for us per season. Intino, when you look at the numbers he has, it is something that he has in terms of the qualities in goal scoring. You cannot take that away from him. But Chelsea's situation currently, say,
he becomes like a super sub.
Super sub.
When
good.
Then we come in.
Bring him from the bench.
Then our best is that game,
That is good.
Then we back.
No, but you see,
that now more sorted from him, If you are Brighton, and your big
team.
Good. That pressure now supporters my players no than you but Chelsea so about 1 2 3 4 na game no enkoya supporters no come at you.
That is why you need to believe and trust in Xabi Alonso, because Rich, at this point Xabi Alonso Africa no won the first preseason match. In fact, the game is even going on right now. 2-2 currently. But the thing is that a lot of the things you do are experiments. They are experiments. He's an experiment.
Okay.
Because if you look at the contract he has signed and what he has to do, he has to make sure that he solves the problems based on how on problem no. He cannot do anything above or below. If Chelsea has had these problems in the past, how do you remedy the situation? His assessment of what he needs to do to solve the problems. These are the practical solutions that he can propose. Danny Welbeck is not coming as a goal scorer. Say now, 20 goals by no. So the demand is not there. But in terms of influence, in terms of guidance, and I used to say this thing, Rich, say, a player like Joao Pedro, Opa at Chelsea, I thought that this guy was good. But I always said, say, with his stature and how he's built, if he had a player like Didier Drogba, if he had a player like Diego Costa to learn from, this is not the kind of Joao Pedro we see. He'll be a very little forward in the Premier League. It's here from the same timer. Now Diego Costa airball Chelsea, then we had a very young Joao Pedro who joined. You would have seen a different Joao Pedro as compared to what we are seeing right now. Of course, the why and I appreciate the fact that he's giving his all to the team. But at the be a young players, they need a lot of guidance. And Chelsea, that is the problem now.
Okay.
Get the guidance for the boys. Help them to be able to settle down. Xabi Alonso team na players there's a Jordan Henderson there, there's a Danny Welbeck there. They can guide the players, they can help them to be able to know what to do on the pitch. And I think that is why Chelsea for AD players with me and if they come, I wouldn't be surprised because look, Rich, these are players who have earned their respect in every right throughout their careers. Not Jordan Henderson, Obi or free Liverpool, even Krokobo Saudi Arabia.
No, Zaba.
And Wasaba came to play for Brentford. And now Chelsea is looking for him. So it tells you that it's not necessarily about what he will give to you on the pitch.
Right.
Oko England for Camp Krana. There's one thing that they have. Yes, one of the main reasons why Thomas Tuchel wanted Jordan Henderson in the team was because Otimimo Omunina Asre. When he is there, the mere fact that he's there alone gives the whole team some joy, and he's the glue that binds the team together. And you know, Rich, look, Chelsea for no come to him.
Right.
Maybe you move face pa
maybe the ayo de o ko say ya
ananka you share mo na
am season mu ye de
and
mo bebre
ye say Rich, I want to know
now enem you go for 2 players 70
there's a plan for them. Alonso has a plan.
Any problem me tie is Hanum Chelsea. Oh, matrama kwe na season 9
there been a inclusion of these two players and my more options.
So who proving strikers our market. Now so pom na so we go for experience am ma ba betitin kwala no problem.
Be catch Emre Payne be say strikers here person solve goal scoring problem and yes strikers they be call for market.
Any problem
yes you be there
mo dem form mra season
you be solve your
problem or last pick na.
I think the only thing that is left is a Vinicius Jr contract. No?
Okay.
Vinicius Jr at this point, no, I think Opese Oye Aswardin Kakra. And it's simply because he wants more money. Because Obi Awo pay 30 million euros net there. Well, you cannot say this is something beyond Real Madrid. It is not beyond them, Rich. If they want to offer the guy the contract, they will give it to him.
But only Madrid is thrown in the eye. So Mama Branton is Asikana. Kylian Mbappe,
of course, on the books. Jude Bellingham,
yeah. Players, no,
yeah.
Almost about board no who catch him say look. So much me Vinicius as career. I'm Kylian Mbappe. I'm the face of Real Madrid now. It's what me on only 30. And so to me go bear 35 now 40. Madrid in best situation, no.
And
yes, I think Sikasem like you said, and yet
problem, yeah.
30 million Madrid be
but do you think Madrid would rather allow Vinicius Jr. the contract to run out and let him go for free?
No, don't do that. You are kind of 1 year. It is a 1 year and you know can on your idea inka. The team be ye demands no better meet dia. Yen turn on yen just ask no. You are not my contract ni wo abeko free. Unyam fa so be free so.
But I think the other side of the story and they say us now for no look, I know. Since he cannot person the cover Vinicius, no, they could prepare that, but it will hurt their books. It could hurt their books, and maybe Samia, it is not so much of a wise decision to make, because when you look at Arsenal right now and the fact that they need to be able to make certain key signings to maintain their competitiveness next season now. I don't think to hedge all your fortunes on Vinicius Jr. is the way to go. He will be a very, very massive addition. But so, 470 million pounds, so the man per week to counter the offer that Real Madrid are giving to him there. It is something that will hurt them for some time to come. But because in the coming days, we will see. I think the representatives of Vinicius Jr. want to be able to have more discussions with the Real Madrid phone, and perhaps they could get to a point where they will make an agreement in the coming days.
I know Joshua Holutu and Martin in Kanisha 104.5 Bismarck Usuben Payala. It was so at the